Well, business appears to be looking up for those investing in the stock market. In numbers posted yesterday, the financial markets hit a new two-year high. WTAJ reporter Kevin Flanagan looked into the trend and is live with more on what's behind the recent upward movement. Kevin?
Well, Carolyn, while the markets today closed slightly lower after investors took a step back, for the past several weeks, those stock values have been growing steadily, and people who study the market say there are a number of positive trends that have been supporting the movement. By the close of business on Wednesday, all three major stock indexes were at their highest point since September of 2008. When it comes to why stocks are heading up, it appears that more consumers are heading back into the market.
A lot of it has been people becoming more confident again on the market itself, investing money back in. After 2008, the beginning of 2009, there was really a lot of money on the sidelines. There still is a lot of money on the sidelines, but there's been a lot of people coming back in and saying, you know what, I'm feeling a little more confident now. We've kind of broken through different ceilings over the past 2 years.
Other factors that may contribute to boosting the stock market are an employment outlook that is putting some of the long-term jobless back to work, as long as those job seekers have the right training.
The more education you have, the better. And that's true in this job market, even more so than it was only 5 years ago.
Another positive sign for the economy is a growing number of home buyers moving into the market.
There's still some great deals, and in fact right now this month is a great time to buy, especially in the Northeast. Home sales are usually pretty slow around this time of year, so you can find yourself a good bargain.
Well, there's been a steady upward trend in the stock market in recent weeks, and that is expected to continue. Some analysts say individual investors should still carefully consider their own specific situation before any big market moves.
The general rule is when everybody gets excited about getting in because they've seen some positive growth, that may not necessarily be the best time just to jump in. I think as far as the future, my thoughts would be cautiously optimistic.
Now, despite the small decline on Wall Street today, many analysts, including the chairman of the Federal Reserve Board, believe that the economy will continue to get stronger as we move forward into the new year, and Wall Street is expected to reflect that movement. Reporting Kevin Flanagan, WTAJ News. John, Carolyn?
All right, good news. All right, thanks, Kevin.